How to add a clip on Twitch. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to share the clips on Twitch of your streaming account or from any other streaming live that you like, there are options for both of them. Either you can go and select the clip or your live streaming in order to create a clip. Or the next option would be go to the live videos or the clips from where you want to generate a new clip. Click on the live option. Once you tap on it, it'll open another page. Now from here on the top right corner, you will see an option of settings and on its left you will see a clip like icon. Click on it which will generate and create a clip. Once the clip has been generated, you can directly share the clip or you can click on the edit button. This way you can make the necessary changes to the clip. After that, you can add a title to the clip as well and publish it by clicking on the publish button on the top right corner. And once this is done, you have successfully added a clip on Twitch. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.